first gear roll on, see what it does here. Whoops. Okay. Well, we have no traction, and that's second gear, and all it did is let the tires. So that's kind of fun. That kind of snakes all over the road. That's kind of fun. Roll off the line. The wastegate controller beeping at me. Yep, it's telling me we're making too much boost. What do you think happened?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't need to narrate that, don't I? Do I? Now I can't even talk.
On any Porsche, can I just replace my turbo with a larger one?
911 covers a lot of years.
I didn't say 911.
What did you say?
I just said Porsche.
Well, a dual rate regulator, trying to get this in focus here. This one uses dual diaphragms. Almost dropped it. Now, what are the advantages of a turbo on a GT3? Well, boost. Have you ever thought about why? All right, enough of this juicy stuff. Let's get back to the meat of this video. Okay, improved performance without improved performance without increased maintenance are both check marks on my list. What about you? Why only 480 horsepower with a DME flash? Because you know, the expansion. This is the stage 1 on the side, plus intercooler available on our website. Sorry, I'm tripping all over stuff down here. Chainsaws, it's winter time. Anyway, stage 1, 911. Hello, Protomotive. And what I'm sure a lot of you have done is you come over here and you put the thing on the ground and you try to kneel on it with your knees. I don't know if I can see this to get it deep enough.
Giggity.
Make sure this detent goes down and latches in to the fingers, and then you struggle and you move and you try to get this little sucker in here, and you know, I mean, you can get that thing in there. You work on it.
That's what she said.
Let's look at the function of this here. If I recall, this guy just merge is beautiful on these things. You know, I just can't get my camera to focus on it. The merge came out very nice. Hey, let's try these. Blowing a lot of the we're having to rev the wee out of that thing. And we're revving the wee out of it again. Good turbochargers on it. Just start playing around with it. See what it does. Rod to stroke length, yeah. Or, you know, 4-inch plus, like, you know, and our rod stroke length goes, but, you know, I don't know. That's a lot of hooey.